Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start now, make sure your PS5 and game are updated, then position Kratos at the exact beat you want. Once in place, pause and enter photo mode immediately because timing matters. Reduce the shutter and tighten the aperture for longer exposure, and change field of view to 1/2 to magnify motion. These settings create the in-game slow motion look. You're not changing actual frame rate, so composition and lighting must sell the effect. Once done with basic setup, execute a slow, deliberate camera pan to match the character's movement. This preserves motion continuity. Make sure to enable motion blur and lower shutter speed to accentuate streaks, but watch exposure so highlights don't clip. Capture bursts or several consecutive frames to choose later because subtle differences matter. Also, vary distance and angle to test foreground and background blur. This helps sell the illusion of slowed time when you sequence or edit frames together. Finish by exporting your best captures via the PS5 capture gallery or an external capture card, because full-quality files give you editing headroom. In your editor, slow the footage to around 25 to 50% and add temporal blur for smoothness. Stabilize the clip if the pan was uneven. If you encounter black frames or missing captures, reboot the game, clear the capture cache, and retry. If problems persist, use an external recorder.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.